Hello my dear friends, welcome to ST Tech Walk. In the previous video we have discussed about data types in Python. None, numeric and bool data type in detail we have discussed in the previous video. If you have missed the previous video, I am giving the link for you in the description box. Please do visit that. And in this video we are going to discuss about strings in Python. Let's move on to the video now. Before starting, we need to know what is a string. A string is a sequence of characters. Okay, good. Now, how do I declare a string? String can be declared using a single quote or using a double quote. Yeah, we'll see with an example. str is a string now, and I'm using here double quote. Welcome to SD Tech Walk. And now I want to print the string. Print str. Yeah, we have got welcome to SD Tech Walk. And similar way we can use a single quote too to declare a string. Welcome to SD Tech Walk. So using a single quote. Now I want to print the string. Print str. Yes, we have got. Now I can able to declare a multi-line string too. How do I do that? str is equal to either I can use a single triple quote or double triple quote you can use. So here I want to give welcome to SD Tech Walk. I want to print and see now. Print str. Yes, this is about my multi-line strings. So we can able to give multiple line strings too. And what about the character data type? Do I have a character data type in Python? No, you don't have a character data type in Python. Then how can I declare a character? In the same way, str is equal to a. So now I want to print here. Print str. I have got a. That is, what is the meaning of this? A character whatever I want here, it will be declared as a string of length 1, and the similar operations whatever we do for a string can be done for a character 2. Yes, that is good. And now next thing is, how do I access a string? So now my string, I'll go back to my welcome to SD Tech Walk, and I want to access the strings now. So if I print and see my str, yes, this is my same string, welcome to SD Tech Walk. Now, how do I access the string? I can access the strings using square bracket. Within the square bracket, you need to specify the index of the character which you want to access. So now I want to access the first character, and what is the index of the first character? It starts with 0. So str of 0, if I give the first character, I am able to get. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and like that it will go. And the last character if I want to print, and the last character will be of index -1. Yes, I got the last character now. So this is how we can able to print. For example, one more thing also we can print and see str of 2. 0, 1, 2. This will give the third character L. That is nice. So now I want to print a group of characters. That is more than one character. How do I print? I can use an operator called slicing operator, and using slicing operations we can able to print a group of characters from a string. I want to print now str of starting from the first character. The first 3 characters I want to print now. So here the first 3 characters will be printed starting with 0. W is of index 0, E is of index 1, L is of index 2, and the index of 3 will not be displayed. So now the expected output will be W, E, L. And now I want to print some other range, for example 2 to 4. So it will print 2 and 3. It will not go for 4. What is my 2? W is of 0, 1, 2. L and C I am expecting. Yes, I have got the expected output. Now the next thing what I can do is, now I will give print str of, I want to give the starting index, but I will not give the last index, I mean the next index. So what will be the expected output? It will start from 0 and it will print till the end. Good, that is nice. Now the next thing, print str of, I don't want to give the first index and I will give only the last index. So what will be the output? By default it will take 0 and last previous character, till that it will print. Sorry, -1 here, and I close the slicing operator and then my parenthesis. Yes, now I have got the correct output. Now the negative characters using, sorry, negative index, using that can I able to slice it from -5 to -3. Is it possible to print like this? Yes, we have got now H and W. That's good. This is about the slicing operations. And what is the next thing we can see is we can go for how to give a comment. How to give a comment we can see. Using hash operator, hash symbol, we can able to give the comments. So now I want to give a comment. Strings are immutable data type. Immutable data type, or it is immutable object. So what is the meaning of this? So we know how to access a string. One character, if I want to access, how do I access? Str of 0. So what is str of 0? W. I want to alter this value str of 0, instead of W I want to give here H. Is it possible to change it? No, it is not possible to change this. It is giving me an error, type error. So what is the meaning of this? Strings are immutable data type. That is, it cannot, the contents of the strings once you declare cannot be changed. That is the meaning of immutable data type. So strings are immutable data type. Once you declare a string, the contents of the string cannot be changed. Okay, that is good. And now what about this comments, whether it is so important to give comments? Comments are non-executable statements. The Python interpreter will not execute the comment. The comment lines will improve the readability for the programmer. Then why do I need to give this comments? So when we go for bigger programs, when you write thousands of codes or thousands of lines, and there we will not be knowing for what the function is written or for what this variable is declared. So in that case the comments are very important, so that we'll know for what this code is. So the comments are very useful in that case. So it is a good practice to use the comment lines in your program. Okay, next thing, we'll see some of the escape sequences. What do you mean by escape sequences? I will tell you. Now str is equal to welcome to, I want to print a double quote in between this. We give here welcome to tech walk, and I want to print a double quote after 2, and then we want to continue with the string. So whether it is possible, it's not possible. Why it is giving me an error? Because the interpreter will see a double quote after 2 and it will think the string is over, but the string is not over. So only we get the invalid syntax. That is called syntax error. So how do I overcome this error? So I need to print now double quote. So what will I do now? Welcome to, I want to print here double quotes. I will use a slash, backslash. This is to escape the meaning of double quote, and I want to print this value. So now tech walk. Yes. Now let me print and see what is my output. str. Yeah, I've got now double quote. That is the actual meaning of double quote. By giving the backslash, it is being escaped. So the character is being printed. The similar thing, one more example also we can see. Welcome to, I want to print now slash n, and even slash n has a special meaning. Hope you will be knowing what is that. And if I print for slash n, it will be giving a new line, but I don't want a new line. I want slash n to be printed. So how do I do this? This similar way how we did for double quote. So welcome to slash, I want to get escape the meaning of this, and sd tech walk. It's okay, some capital has come, no problem, but k I want. Yes, now I want to print and see whether I'm able to get a slash n. Yes, I've got. So this is the way how we escape the special meaning of the characters. And similarly, you can go for tab space and single quote. If you want to print all those things, we can do it. And one more thing also, we can see here how to repeat the string again and again. I go for a string is equal to only SD check walk I will take, otherwise it will be a big string. So only this I will take. Now I want to print 3 times or 4 times, how many ever times we want we can print. I'll go for 3 times the string I want to print. Yes, I have printed this string. So this is how we repeat the strings. And about the concatenation, I want to concatenate the string. Now how do I concatenate the string? Using plus operator, you can able to concatenate str plus str. So yes, I have got the repetition of the concatenation of the string. So here we'll stop for the strings. That is, we have covered in this video about what is a string, how to access the string, and what is immutable data type, and how to give a comments, and what about the character data type. And we have discussed about escape sequences and about the slicing operations and concatenations and how to repeat the strings. All these stuffs we have discussed in this video. And in the next video, we'll discuss about the string methods. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have understood and liked the video, please give me a like. Do share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And for further notifications, please hit the bell button. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.